for the 2022 NHRA Winternationals. We are back with NHRA racing, and it's about time to burn some nitro. I don't know what to do with my hands. Dad and Scott are getting photographed for a feature in the National Dragster. So we're headed up to the lanes for Q1, and the funny car's first, so hopefully we don't suck. Anthony's gonna be playing with the GoPro, and I've got my big camera. First nitro car of the year is headed up to the line. Cars of the year, let's go! We got Mr. Austin Brock ready to hop back in the race car. You ready?
Yeah, absolutely. It's been a long time coming. Excited to work with this team, this Montana brand Rocky Mountain Twist team, and excited to see how the cars fall tonight. We should be, hopefully we'll be in the top half.
We found Mr. Clay Milliken.
What's up, buddy?
You know, making money and chasing girls.
Just here hanging out with the champ.
So the dragster didn't run very good, but we're gonna take it back to the pit, figure out what's wrong with it, and make it better for tomorrow. Is completely put back together, and the funny car is being worked on, and it's gonna be finished up, and then we're gonna call it a night, and we'll be back tomorrow morning, and let's go racing again. Oh, good morning everybody. It is Saturday morning. It is cold and sucky, and it is too early to be awake. So apparently I don't like sleeping, and I woke up 45 minutes before my alarm went off, so I decided I'll get up, be useful, I'll go film some establishing shots for my videos, and I'll set up the pit. So I'm on my way now to get some establishing shots. Well, it's still golden hour-ish. I kind of missed the peak of golden hour, but it is what it is. And yeah, let's go. Alright, I got what I needed up on the line. Time to head back to the pit, and I'm gonna set everything up, put all the tools out in the toolboxes and everything, and then everybody should be here around 8-ish, and it's only 7 because apparently I do not like sleeping. Oh well. All set up before anyone's got here. The only thing I haven't figured out is how you're supposed to turn these lights on, but I'm gonna end up having to ask Dad or Austin. It doesn't really matter. Everything else is all set up. I put a roll of paper towels and 2 cans of brake clean at each table, and yeah, we're about ready. It is about time for Q2. The dragsters are gonna run first, then the funny car. Pit so that we can service the car. I'm not really sure what happened there. I'm on my way back to the pit. Words. So the funny car threw a rod last round, so we've been spending the past 2 hours dealing with that. And the dragster, it has the rocker arms off on both sides. We need to get the blower and all that stuff, but everything is going good. Neither car is gonna make another run today, but the funny car at least should stay in for eliminations tomorrow. John and Anthony are gonna teach me how to do the chutes. Good morning, everyone. It is race day, and right now it is a balmy 44 degrees outside. It's cold, and it sucks. But we're out here, it's race day. There's nowhere else I'd rather be, even if I'm tired and cold. So I'm gonna finish eating this banana, hop under the funny car, take the oil pan back down so that when Ray gets here, he can torque the rod bolts. And this car is gonna go fast today. Fixing to warm up the funny car. Alright, the cars are all ready. We are heading up for Dad to do driver intros.
Team qualifier coming off a career best season. It's Haddock.
What is that for?
This lubes the blower at the end of the run. So at 4.5 or 5 seconds, this goes off and it shoots the blower full of 2-stroke oil. And 2-stroke oil is the burn in the hydraulic motor. So whatever gets past the blower goes up the cylinder and just burn off.
Alright.
Does it go down in the
Time to go. Time to head up to the lanes. Let's go racing.
Both sides.
Alright, so Dad's car smoked the tires at about half track, and we're gonna go back and service it and be ready for next weekend. Hopefully we do better. What's up, everybody? I am going to sign off here for the weekend. We're gonna finish up putting the dragster in the trailer and go home and take a nap and hopefully a bath. Next weekend we will be back in Phoenix. That's gonna be a lot of fun. A bunch of my friends from school are coming out to hang out, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.